So today I'm gonna be trying to do slime, and I'm gonna do this every time I have some slime. So I have slime today. I have some on Monday. So yeah, I love this slime. It's really cool, stretchy. It has yellow foam balls in it and like the bead and little beads in it. Like has beads in it. So yeah, but it got hard as I was in the car. So I'm about to put some shea butter in it. Okay. So let me take some on the top. Okay, this is enough. Okay, I flat out this one. It's kind of sticky already because I put lotion right now, lotion, and it's not all on the slime, it's also on my body. I put it on my body. So, okay. I love it when I put this shit on the slime. It makes it really stretchy, glossy, smelling good and stuff. So, yeah. So, it's still good, just let you know. If you like it, it's really good. I like this one. Yeah, so you know, she would pick up a chicken idea something. But yeah, I'm gonna look it very good. The only thing I hate when I put shea butter in it and make it kind of like cloud, but yeah, I did that to one of my friends. We traded slime for yeah, I had slime for 2 days. I brought it back and it was hard. I did that on purpose because I changed the color. I kept on putting like lotion and shea butter in it. I had put shea butter in it and then I left it. It made it turn into cloud. So then I forgot. I left it outside open too. So I didn't even take it off. So yeah. So it got hard. So before I left, I got it and I put it in there because I was so tired of getting it. Yeah, I was so freaking tired. That night because we were at barbecue. But yeah, I love this one. And then when she came back and my son was still good, but it was hard. She started crying. Like, girl, it's only slime. It looks like you gonna die. And she said, I am. Oh, tell you. I feel like it out. You said the dumbest stuff. She had her shave like last month or so. Not last month, like 2 months ago. January or February. But, so, she had her little crochet and she was cute and all. So, I'm like, Khali, crochet. I mean, without her, you look good. You can move. I think you should use your natural hair more. What? No, I don't. Like you do. Your natural hair is like ashes. Y'all is like soft and stuff. Ashes, like cool. Your hair is soft. Like mine. Well, mine didn't even come out. But I'm talking about like when it's just up for a long time. So, but yeah. But tomorrow, I'm gonna be doing a story tomorrow about the first time I bought. I wasn't in bed yesterday. I was like, yeah, it was last year when I was in second grade. But yeah, that's gonna be tomorrow. I'm gonna post. I'm going to make YouTube videos daily. Right now, I have 2 because I decided last night. So, I hope you like it. I hope you subscribe and hit that bell and like button. But this is the end of the video. I hope you guys liked it. And I want you to follow my friend Siskin, SIS space and NEM. Yeah, I'm gonna